Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain the important inorganic compounds generally used in daily chemistry. Here some compounds I want to say, and you can observe also these compounds how they are useful in chemistry in daily life. And now this is part 11, inorganic compounds used in daily chemistry. Here from part 1 to part 10 already I have explained the different cation and different anions and how they form different type of compounds. And now different type of compound, how can you write the formula of different compounds by using different cation and different anion. That means cations, monovalent cation, divalent cation and trivalent cation. Similarly, anion, monovalent anion, divalent anion, trivalent anion. Using this cation and anion, how can we write the formula of a compound? So many compounds are formed by using this track. Now this part 11, that inorganic compounds, those you should remember: nitrous acid HNO2, nitric acid HNO3, phosphorus acid H3PO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, sulfurous acid H2SO3 and sulfuric acid H2SO4, chloric acid chloric acid HClO3, perchloric acid HClO4, carbonic acid H2CO3, acetic acid CH3COOH. Actually this CH3COOH is special, I want to say here, because it is very important, but it is an organic acid, but it is very important in coming in our daily chemistry. That is why I want to mention, one should remember acetic acid, hydrochloric acid HCl, hydroiodic acid HI. Similarly, hydrobromic acid you can write HBr. Now you see again, nitrous, one oxygen less, 2 nitric acid, phosphorus, 1 oxygen less, 2 phosphoric acid, sulfurous acid, 1 oxygen less than 2 sulfuric acid, and chloric acid HClO3, whereas perchloric acid 1 oxygen more than HClO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, acetic acid CH3COH, hydrochloric acid HCl and hydroiodic HI, hydrobromic acid HBr. Now we will see other compounds which are used in daily chemistry and how they are helpful and how we will remember these compounds we will see now. Now you can observe here the simple compounds. They are generally used in our daily chemistry, in chemistry lab and chemistry reading. And now here see carbon monoxide CO, carbon dioxide CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, sulfur trioxide SO3, nitric oxide NO, which is colorless, especially when you compare nitric oxide, nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide. It is very important to know nitric oxide NO, which is colorless, nitrogen dioxide NO2, which is brown color, nitrous oxide N2O, which is called laughing gas. These are the main important properties: colorless, brown color, and it is laughing gas. Water H2O, ammonia NH3, hydrogen peroxide H2O2, ozone O3, blue vitriol CuSO4, 5H2O, ammonia NH3, hydrobromic acid HBr. Again see carbon monoxide CO, carbon dioxide CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, sulfur trioxide SO3, and nitric oxide NO, nitrogen dioxide NO2, and laughing gas, that is nitrous oxide N2O. Water, you know, generally it is H2O, NH3, ammonia, hydrogen peroxide H2O2, O3 ozone, blue vitriol, which color is blue color. Remember, blue vitriol, copper sulfate having 5 molecules of water. Ammonia NH3 and hydrobromic acid HBr. Now, hope these are very important compounds used in our daily in chemistry reading. I hope this part 1, from part 1 to part 11, totally name of compounds it is there. It is my request, when you start this name of compounds, inorganic compound, serially you read from part 1 to part 10, and now it is the last one, which is the important compounds left, that one. And here 1 to 11, 1 to 10, you remember all the cations, anions, and how you write the formula by the help of these charges and all the value of the charges. And now you remember, this is very very important to write any compounds as you like. You try at home and try, like, surely will success in writing the compounds. You read it, when you read, you know the compounds. Hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH, short and sweet in chemistry. And I can believe you will like and share my channel. And thanks for watching my video, especially 11, and besides it from 1 to 10 also you see. And thanks for watching my videos from 1 to 11 in serial, you can see. Thanks again to all.